In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable push notifications in Todoist. If you use Todoist to manage your tasks, having push notifications turned on is one of the best ways to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look out for, so your notifications work the way you expect, without being overwhelming. First, open Todoist in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on your main Todoist screen, look toward the upper area of the interface, usually near the top left of the page. You'll see your profile, which may appear as your avatar, a small picture, or a circular icon with your initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to all of your personal account settings, including notifications. After you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a dedicated settings window or page. Take a second to let it load fully, because this is where all your account preferences are organized into different sections or tabs. If you ever need to adjust anything about your Todoist experience, this is where you'll come back. Inside the settings area, look along the top or along the side for a section called Notifications. It's usually grouped with other personal preferences. Click on Notifications to open it. This is where you control which updates Todoist is allowed to send you and how those updates are delivered. Once you're in the notifications section, you'll see a list of different notification types, such as reminders, task updates, or comments. You may also see separate settings for different devices or channels, like mobile push, desktop, or email. To enable push notifications, make sure the toggle or checkbox for push notifications is turned on for the device you're using. If you're on a browser, your browser may also ask for permission to show notifications, so be sure to allow that when prompted. As you adjust these options, think about which events truly require your attention in real time, and only enable those. This helps you stay informed without feeling bombarded. Once you've confirmed your preferences, you're all set. Your push notifications are now enabled in Todoist, and you'll start getting timely alerts that help you stay on top of your tasks and deadlines.